this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you my technique to quickly fix the stick drift on my PlayStation 5 controller. So if I'm in Call of Duty or something like that, and I notice stick drift, what I'll do mid-game is I'll push down the thumbstick button. I'll just push it down and click it about 10 times, just like that. And then I'll hold it down and I'll rotate it 10 times to the right, just like this, holding it down. Then I'll stop after about 10 times and rotate it the other way. Then I'll go up, down, up, down, up, down, left, right, left, right. Then I'll lift up on it, and you'll notice the thumbstick will come up a little bit. We can push it down, and you'll feel it kind of like pop. After about 10 times of doing that, I'll rotate it to the side, push down, and there's going to be a little bit of gap and separation in here. And you can blow in there with your mouth. I know it sounds silly, but this is usually what fixes this. And you blow inside of your controller, and then do to the other side here. Blow this side too. Then up, blow in there, and then down. And once you go back to the game, you'll notice that your stick drift is zeroed out and it's level now. And this seems to be a temporary fix, doesn't seem to be a permanent fix, so you might have to do this like once every 2 or 3 weeks. Now you can go into your controller settings on like Warzone, and you can adjust the dead zone, so you might want to increase those until you actually fix this permanently. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.